Hey, how are you today? I have a Birchbox unboxing for you. So this is what the box looks like. I think it's really cute. Hey, look, I'm not a bill. I think that's cute. On the back is, it says Birchbox, and I've already torn open the corners so that I can go ahead and open it. But I just wanted to point out really quickly, as I was doing all of that, look at my finger. So that box transfers, bled, whatever, and it wasn't wet, so that's odd. So if I have green anywhere on my face or my clothes, just disregard it. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. So inside the box is this. So the Birchbox box. So let's go ahead and get started and jump in. All right. Opening the box, the top, there's always something there on the top, so let's see what that says. Birchbox tip number 179, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. True. On the back it has the list of products, so I won't look at that. I'm just seeing that I have that green literally all over my hands. All right, so it's wrapped in blue tissue paper, so I'm really not gonna look. I'm just gonna kind of pull out stuff. Okay, so first is the Ombre Elise. This is the Nourishing Repair Care Emulsion. I do have something from Ombre Elise that I picked up when I was in London, and I haven't really used it that often. It has a pretty good fragrance to it, like as in a lot, and I don't hate it, but it's a pretty thick product, and probably when I run out of my Paula's Choice that I've been using, I will start using that more frequently. I think I've only used it like twice. So this is a really good travel size just to kind of throw in your bag. So this is for dry skin. And I'm not going to open it. It has one of those little popper things that pops that seal, so I'm not going to open it quite yet. Let me see if it says anything on the back.
Okay, so Nourishing Repair Care, famous for its effectiveness on dry skin, loads the skin with the essential nutrients for its balance. From natural origin, the nutrients re-lipidize, interesting word, the skin, reconstruct the intracellular cement, and reinforce the skin's barrier. Wow, that sounds fancy and complicated. The rough aspect, twinges and dander disappear. I have a feeling that the person that wrote this, does not speak English as a first language. The skin is soothed and comfortable, it is supple and becomes smooth and soft. There you go.
I think the rest is written in French. Maybe butter, squalane, beeswax, aloe vera, and soy proteins. So we'll see. That's just a very interesting description. The second thing, it's kind of a heavy box actually. I think, oh, it's this. Yes, it is this. Okay, so this is, okay, I've heard of this brand, but I don't know how to say it. It's Davines or Davines or something like that. It's Davines, and this is the Momo shampoo. So let me just show you there. The brand name is right there. It says it's a moisturizing shampoo for dry or dehydrated hair, but then with yellow melon extract. Let me see if this is, no, it's not sealed. It smells good. It smells like fresh, maybe with a hint. I can smell like a hint of melon in there. You wouldn't think it would be moisturizing because it's the more clear shampoo. Usually you think of moisturizing shampoos as being maybe a milky color, but anyway, I'll definitely try this because I'm always on the lookout for a new shampoo. Next is this. So what is this? Okay, from the Beauty Crop. So it's a really cute packaging there. Glow Milk, and nourished with coconut and argan oil. It's really cute. It's like a little milk carton, a little smiley face. That's really cute, right? All right, so how do I open it? Okay, so I was able to get in there on the bottom seal. Oh, it's a little tiny one. That's super cute. So it looks like it's a dropper. Like I said, it's called Glow Milk, and I'm assuming that is the color. So kind of, does it say the color? The name is called Pear, P-E-A-R, Pear Pressure. So that's pretty cute. The back of the box They're telling you milk, shake it up, shake bottle before use. And this is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting, lit from within look with our champagne color liquid highlighter. And it just tells you what's in it. Healthy luminous glow, illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with your fingertips for a natural radiance. Repeat for a more dramatic strobing effect. Okay, so we'll shake it. Yeah, so little dropper can, oh yeah, I got a little bit in there, so I was able to drop it onto my skin. However, I think that's gonna make a mess now. So I got a ton. That's probably enough for my entire, both hands. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of rub it all in. And it's definitely like a champagne color, so probably too dark for my skin. You can see my skin tone there. I'm very fair, but you know, this could work for anything, you know, just as a, I'll do it right here. Yeah, just give it a little more color there. So that's nice. It looks like we have 3 more things. So next, oh, okay, so this is a little sample. This is the Momo conditioner by Devinez, don't know. And the print's definitely too small to read on the back, but moisturizing conditioner for dry or dehydrated hair. It's a small one, probably at least, I would say 2 good uses, especially for my hair. I don't have much hair, so is, oh, interesting that this is in here, but this is the MAC Strobe Cream. I've actually never used the MAC Strobe Cream. I think it's interesting that they put 2 highlighters in the same box, but that's okay. I'm actually glad they put this one in there because I've never used it and I have wanted to try it. Okay, so that's what it looks like there. This one is probably going to match my skin tone a little bit better, I would say. And yes, it does. It's pretty pretty natural. My hands are really dry, so you can see both. I didn't get as much over here as I did over here. It has a fresh scent. So it's a nice glow, right? Okay, so that's that, and we have one more thing in the box. Let me find it. And it is the Gimme Brow from Benefit, so a really little bitty one. And this is in the color Neutral Light Brown number 3. This is the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I think I have this, maybe. I'm not sure. Well, I don't have it in this packaging, I don't think. Maybe in the previous packaging. But I actually use one from, I think it's from Essence. It's cheap, it's good, it works, I like it, but it's nice to have one that's just a really tiny one that you can take with you on the go. So let's see what the little brush looks like. Okay, that's a little bitty brush. That is smaller than the Essence brush. So I think I like this as well. So I will definitely be using that. So that is all that's in that box. Let's look at the little sheet here. Okay, so the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. The full size is $24. It says $12 to $24, so I'm assuming that little one is $12. The shampoo, a full size of that is $29. And then the conditioner, a full size of that is $33. The Ombre Elise, let's see, dry skin moisturizer, full size of that one is $32. The Beauty Crop Glow Milk Highlighter in Pear Pressure is, the full size of that is $19.50. And the MAC Strobe Cream, that color is called Pink Light, so that's probably why it looks better on me than the other one does. The full size of that is $35, but I think you can get a smaller one for $16. I don't know if it'd be that size or a little bit bigger. It doesn't specify. So that is what I received in the Birchbox box. If you have used any of these, let me know, especially the shampoo. If you've used that, I'm interested to know how you like it and you know, is that a good formula, that one, or are there other ones that are, you know, that's a better formula or whatever. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I really appreciate it if you would subscribe and like this video. If you did, leave me a comment down below and let me know, like I said, if you've used any of this stuff. And I will talk to you very soon. Have a great day. Bye.